I can't even hide it. I can't stop thinking about your lips, your lips. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Magnificent back here with your guitar interpretations. Today we're doing Grey by Why Don't We. So we're gonna play this without the capo again, using major chords. Turns out these guys always okay, not always, but then this album has a lot of open played songs. So that's great for y'all that don't have capos at home, but you need to have one, guys. Like, it's very basic. It's a basic guitar tool. Definitely this on $5, so make sure you buy one. Anyways, we're playing D, and then we go to E minor, and then this is a B minor, which is basically A minor, but instead of playing it in frets 2 and 3, you're playing this in frets 3 and 4, and then you bar the second fret. Right? Now, if you're not, too flexible with bar codes, don't worry. You can use the open voicing, which is 020230. And those of you that don't quite understand tabs, if I say 0, it means if I'm interpreting this, I'm coming from string number 6 going to string number 1. So this is 0 because it's open, I'm not holding anything, and this is 2 because I'm holding the second fret of the next string, and then this is 0 because again I'm not holding anything, and this is 2 because I'm holding the second fret, and then this is 3 because I'm holding the third fret, and then this is 0. So 020230. And if you're gonna pluck this, make sure you pluck 5-4-3-2 only, because we really don't want that last voicing. So if you're gonna strum again, try not to strum that. So let's go from the top. We have a D, E minor, and then it's a D7. D7 over B minor. Okay, that's the name of the chord. If you're not familiar with the rest of the chords, you can check out my chord video. It is in the description below. It will teach you how to hold the other chords, and then you can come back here for your progressions. So we have D, E minor, and then B minor, and then we go to G, D, and then A minor, A major, sorry. So D, E minor, B minor, and then we go to G, D, and then A. And my strumming pattern is down, 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 down. Alright, so that's down, 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 down. And then down, 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 down. Make sure there's no chord change going on, so that I know I give you guys all the chords. Okay, so there's a change right after the chorus. All right. Okay, so I don't know if this is a chorus, the pre-chorus, I don't know. But the part where they go, na 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 na, na 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 na, I believe I let you go. This part, we're starting on G, going to A major, D, A, B minor, G again, A, D, A, B minor, G, every time it rains, A again, you play that 4 times basically, and then let me stay. Alright, and then the last time we go, and everything's great. Right here, I'm just plucking 4, 3, 2, 4, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2. So every time I'm plucking 2, I'm plucking 3 also. That's the one right before you get into the second verse. And we've already done first verse, and it's the same with second. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's just confirm there's no bridge, because chords usually change at the bridge there. Nah, they're pretty much the same. So yeah, that is it, guys. Do make sure you subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you, and I will see you guys in the next video.